Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday, happy late Halloween, and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover Cleveland Clinic partnering with Zipline to revolutionize medical delivery with drones. Our next story talks all about drone surveying and how you can get started in it. And finally, we show you a spooky drone light show that happened in Dubai. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. CIC Energy is looking for a commercial drone pilot in Texas. MV5 is in search of a UAV pilot in San Diego, California. ACRT Services has an opening for an ecological restoration drone pilot in Hudson, Ohio. And Belkin is seeking a commercial drone pilot in Seattle, Washington. With that said, let's fly in. Cleveland Clinic, one of the leading healthcare institutions in the United States, is teaming up with Zipline, a pioneer in instant logistics and unmanned aerial vehicle transport services, to bring innovative medical delivery solutions to patients' doorsteps. This groundbreaking partnership is set to redefine the way patients receive their medications and other healthcare essentials, promising enhanced accuracy, efficiency, and sustainability. They say that by 2025, they hope to be delivering certain medications directly to patients' homes. Their other goals include delivering lab samples, medical and surgical supplies, and items for hospital at-home services. The clinic will use Zipline's Platform 2 system, which will allow the drones to perform accurate deliveries in densely populated urban areas, covering a 10-mile distance in approximately 10 minutes. Cleveland Clinic's Northeast Ohio facilities will incorporate docking stations and loading points for these drones. When a prescription is prepared, a technician from Cleveland Clinic will load the drone, which will allow the drone to independently detach, soar at an altitude of 300 feet to reach the patient's residence, and dispatch an autonomous delivery robot. This robot will navigate to the correct location and leave the package, even in compact areas like a patio table or the front steps of a home. The drone will then return and autonomously dock itself. Patients will have the capability to monitor the progress of their deliveries in real time. Our next story dives into drone surveying. According to a recent report from Drone Industry Insights, drone surveying and mapping is and will remain the top drone application. Currently worth $10 billion, drone surveying is being used by professionals all around the world. One of the key advantages is that drone surveys can collect the same quality of data as ground-based surveys, but in a much more efficient way, making the survey process significantly faster and less expensive. They are also more accessible, safer, cost-efficient, and reduce environmental impact. If drone surveying sounds intriguing to you, definitely check out our in-depth guide to learn more about how drone surveying is done, which industries use it, and see our recommendations for the top survey drones on the market. And finally, before we officially move into the Thanksgiving and Christmas spirit, I wanted to show you a spooky drone light show that was done near the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. This video has gone viral, and rightfully so, as it goes above and beyond what we're used to seeing when it comes to drone light shows. The company that reportedly was in charge of it was Geoscan Drone Show. I personally think it's one of the best drone displays I've ever seen. And before we wrap up, I wanted to let you all know that voting has officially opened for our October Drone Fails Challenge. Until Sunday, November 5th, you can vote for your favorite drone fails in the first link below. The winner receives free access to our Drone Pilot Skill Builder course. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about Cleveland Clinic partnering up with Zipline? And what about that crazy drone light show in Dubai? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend. And to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.